with 4 apartments. Each apartment has 3 bedrooms. The entire building is running on solar power. Beyond the 5 air conditioners, we also have the following. We have television sets, lighting of the entire building, refrigerator, water pumps, pressing irons, fans, washing machines, and other household electrical appliances. This is the first air conditioner that is running efficiently with the solar power system. It is a 2 horsepower floor standing air conditioner. You can see the lighting. The solar power is running the entire building.